personalizing your space with Viettiles pattern cement tiles. Viettiles pattern cement tiles offer a fully personalized experience for your living space. Homeowners have the freedom to choose colors according to their preferences and style. Cool blue tones for a modern feel, warm brown tones for a classic touch, or light, elegant shades perfect for resorts and homestays. The wide range of colors ensures that each product reflects individual taste, making every space unique, distinctive, and far from ordinary. Viettiles products maintain harmonious patterns even when the colors are changed, combined with durable, sharp, and high-quality craftsmanship. Pattern tiles become a luxurious focal point for living rooms, lobbies, restaurants, or hotels, enhancing the overall ambience of any space. Viettiles also offers free color coordination design services, turning homeowners' color ideas into reality, while bringing comfort, refinement, and sophisticated aesthetics to every corner of the home.